Hello YouTube, back again with another video. Today we got the the Viking from Harbor Freight. Will this start a V8? Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews. Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically, I'm removing the battery there, or the battery terminals. Yes, this Viking, I haven't charged it since the last time, since the last video that I did. And pretty much hasn't been charged. It's on the same charge. So you guys will see how much charge is left on the Viking battery pack. I'm trying to remove the battery, the positive terminal there, and then the negative terminal there. This is just a weird truck battery location. As you guys know, that's the Viking. I'm testing make sure we got some juice in there, and yeah, we do. We gotta still have 100%. Those are the wires. I'm looking for the 12 volt connection. That is it's connected. And now I'm gonna be connecting to the terminals. Not the terminals, but you know, the vehicle terminals. And according to the manual, you're not supposed to put them to the battery terminals. You're supposed to put them to the chassis, the negative to the chassis, and the positive to the positive. Yeah, I do apologize for the camera. I'm kind of shaky. I don't have a stabilizer for this GoPro camera. I did leave all the footage, so you guys will know I'm cutting it or putting something else, or putting another battery or connecting the battery. So I left the footage as raw as when I took it. So there's no cuts on this, so you guys will see it's if it works or if it doesn't work. So I left it raw, and I didn't do any editing or anything like that. And I do apologize for my mess. I do have a mess in my house. We're gonna try this out. As you can see, it actually did not start the vehicle, but I'm gonna show you guys why. Because the terminals were not properly in the wires or the terminals. So I'm just double checking, make sure that's the problem. Obviously it turned off, so I gotta turn it back on. Obviously I don't know how to turn it on, so you have to put the power first and then the engine. I'm putting the engine first. But yeah, I'm kind of nervous because there's my neighbors watching me, so that's why I'm kind of a little nervous. I don't like people watching me, but you know, I don't like people watching me, so my neighbors were watching. That's why I got a little nervous. And second try. Third try. Alright, we gotta go. So it did turn on the vehicle, the V8, as stated. So this is a V8 Chevy V8, and it's still powered on. So I just went out there and checked it and make sure it's still powered on, and just redo one more for you guys just to make sure. And it is powered on for the second time. So you guys could see it's this vehicle is powered on by this Viking power pack starter thing from Harbor Freights. Like I said, I do apologize for the camera and my mess at my house. I just didn't want to edit this video or cut anything, so you guys would see that this is actually starting the vehicle. Now, I'm not doing cuts here and there, and you know, we're actually, the battery right there, if you see, it's not 100% anymore. It's 75. But then again, we cranked it twice and it didn't start, and then we cranked it twice and it on those two starts, and it did start it. And this charge is from 3 months ago, so I haven't put this on the charger. As a matter of fact, right now as I'm speaking, I will be putting this Viking to the charger because I need it for, you know, I need it to be 100%. But I haven't put it in a charger since like 3 months ago, since I got this item, and since I did the other video. So anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm putting the post back, everything back to the vehicle. Just wanted to share this with you guys because I had a lot of questions about this, that it wouldn't start a V8. So here you go. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.